Hi, my name is Kafil, and I have cleared my Group 1 of final. So, sir has requested to make one video. I don't know whether I'm eligible for this, for making this my experience video or my success video of Group 1, because there are a lot more better person. I'll just share my experience, what I did for the preparation of my law subject, as well as everybody would have been known already. Sir would have given you advices. I'll just add it, or I'll narrate my experience a little better. So I'll tell you. I had the summary notes for law, and I had this question bank of AK sir. I did not attend his classes. I got I got to know from one of my friend that his book is very good. So I already had a summary note. So second thing, I got the question bank. I'll tell you, I am the weakest student. I'm a weak one in the theory subject. So I had this lazy habit of not going through each and every line. That is the only thing I preferred for summary note. Nothing else. If you are having good habit, you can go for good book. So I went through all my summary note. I got the question bank. Then I got to know which is the important section and what is ICA has been doing these years. ICA has been asking questions from only particular few sections. So I noted all those sections, wrote it in a book, marked everything, even in my summary notes as well as in the question bank, which is to be read, and then started my routine. I just tell you, these three things will actually three things: mindset, confidence, and courage. These three things will definitely come to you once you make the schedule is the only thing which I was very much disciplined. Other thing, I did not care, I did not matter. Even though I was lagging 1 2 3 4 5 7 days, I thought it doesn't matter for me. But I was following the schedule. I had a proper schedule. Proper schedule means each day for the next 15 days, chapter wise, each or maybe half a day. I divide a day into two half. Somebody divide into three for three subjects. I divide for two subjects. So I devoted my time. The least thing I did is I had a proper schedule. I had a revision notes. I had summary notes, and then I had a schedule question bank also. I just revised it like anything, 4 times or 5 times. I think 5 times I might have revised it like anything. I cleared in second attempt. I should say this, I cleared in second attempt. First attempt I got exemption in FR, and then 3 subjects gone because I did not focus. I focused on one subject. Next 3 subjects I gave the least priority. So second attempt I didn't do it knowingly. Unknowingly it happened. Unknowingly I gave priority to FR. Unknowingly I did not give priority to this next 3 subjects. So second attempt I scheduled it, planned it. Even though I got very low mark in law, but anyhow I came out. So thing is mindset, confidence, and courage. Mindset to study, confidence, you are doing it well, and then courage to turn on the pages or to revise the portion again and again. These 3 things will automatically come once you have the schedule. This is the thing which I did it in my last attempt. Now I'm going to write my group 2, and yes, I do not attend serve classes. At the end, Sir's Brahmastra YouTube classes, he uploaded his Brahmastra revision in the YouTube. I was so happy because I did not expect it. It was too good. It boosted my confidence actually. And then when I was listening to the classes or the revision class, I got to know where I was lacking. I got to know what and all points I have left it. So this Brahmastra was too good for me. I downloaded, converted it into audio, and then I was listening daily when I was sleeping. It was very 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 helpful, this revision class Brahmastra. And how I read it, I just had one thing in my mind: what is there in the section. So basically my language is Urdu. In Urdu itself I used to translate, because it is kind of easy if you are reading in your own mother tongue. I used to translate it because it quickly grasps it, subconsciously it fits, and then you can translate it to English. So I just want to summarize these things what I said you. Thing is mindset, confidence, courage, plan a schedule, revise and practice. Revise as much as possible. 5 times, 7 times, as much as possible. Revise it. Don't waste the time. Just revise it. We have to come out of this long journey as soon as possible. So whatever time is there, just plan, revise, this is the only mantra what I had, what I'm following still, is the thing is revising, planning, revising. So I wish you all the best, all who were seeing the video and who was writing the attempt, and all the best for myself. I'm going to write my group too. Thank you.